Confirm that the air source pressure is normal between 90 and 150 psi. Connect the air inlet end of the blast gun to the air source. We have supplied a 1/4 inch NPT for your convenience. If your compressor line is another size, you'll need to apply an adapter. Test the Sandblaster vacuum suction without media to ensure it is working properly. Use the appropriate abrasive according to the job application. We have provided a beginner media guide with your kit. AS118-2C sand or media volume control valve operation. Just a quick tip. It's normal for media to fall out of the tip when the valve is open and or when there is media left in the chamber. If both the gravity feed and siphon feed valves are on at the same time, the tool will not work. Please make sure the gap in the iron pipe is not covered by media, as this will reduce suction. For safety, please wear safety equipment. We recommend safety glasses and gloves at the minimum. Please follow these steps before operation. Confirm air compressor pressure is within operation range of 90 to 150 psi. Connect the sandblasting gun to the air source. Test the vacuum suction. Prepare the abrasive. Control valve operation confirmation. Insert the iron tube into the abrasive bucket without covering the iron pipe gap. Please wear safety gear. Now, let's start sandblasting. Refurbish all tools. Edge glass. Remove paint, and so much more. Just blast it.